Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make birthday video using pictures and music in Instagram. Creating a birthday video using picture and music in Instagram is really very easy process. Just follow these easy steps. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, I'm going to my phone gallery, and as you can see, I've downloaded some random cake photos, and now I will use these photos to make the video. So I'm going to opening my Instagram app and just tapping on this plus icon, and here select story and tap on create. And now to change your story background color, just tap on this color box, and from here you will be able to change your story background color. Now it's time to add our picture. So tap on the sticker icon at the top, and here tap on upload, and now from your gallery select your pictures. Once the picture added, you can resize the picture like this. Also, you can change the picture shape by tapping on the picture. Now to add multiple pictures, again tap on sticker, again scroll down, again tap on upload, and now select your second picture. And to add another picture, tap on emoji and then select your next photo. Once you successfully added your pictures, now go to sticker again, tap on cancel, and now tap on the search bar and type here birthday, and now we will add some birthday sticker here. So I'm selecting this birthday sticker and making the sticker bigger, and again tapping on sticker, searching for birthday again, and selecting this sticker. And as you can see, the sticker or the birthday video is looking perfect. Now to add a music, just tap on this music icon and tap on the search music box and search for a specific music. And now you can crop the music like this and tap on done, and the music has been added. Now just tap on your story, and I'm opening my story. As you can see, I've successfully created a birthday video using picture and music, and the video duration is 30 seconds. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.